we are calculating the rate from graph, okay? Kalau daripada graph graph, dia ada beberapa you kena jaga-jaga. The first one, okay. Saya ada 3 graph you need to know. Okay. Guys. Okay, kalau saya lukis like this, and like this. Graph. Guys, graph ini merujuk kepada apa? Reaktan ke produk? Reaktan ke produk? Dia adalah produk. Why? Why it is a product? Beda. Sebab bertambah. Increases. Yes. Okay. Kan guys, let's say lah this is your mass and time lah. Second time. Allah. Mass and time. Mass and time. Okay. Okay. Dia ada satu tau. Dia kena ingat rate. Initial rate. Kadar tindak balas awal. Initial adalah awal. Then ada rate at. At adalah pada. Okay, pada contohnya 30 second. And kita ada average rate of reaction. Purata. Okay. Mari saya ajar. Dengar. Guys. Again. What is rate for graph? Apakah rate dalam graph? Kecerunan. Apa maksud awal? I have teach you. Initial. Yes. Maksudnya dia suruh kira gradient tempat dia awal-awal keluar. Maksudnya inilah gradient dia. Tempat dia awal-awal keluar. Faham tak? Tempat dia, garis yang tempat awal dia keluar. Faham? Then, you lukis segitiga. This is your delta Y and delta X. Maka dapatlah rate equals to delta Y over delta X. Guys, 30 second ni jaga-jaga. Contoh guys, dekat sinilah 30 second kita. So what we are going to do, at adalah pada. Then you pergi dekat 30 second, you go up. Oh, this is the point. You take a ruler, you draw the tangent line. Once you dah draw the tangent line, then you go like this. Faham ke tak nak? Okay, sekarang ni guys. Yes, Renuga, do you have a question? Okay, good. Okay, dengar sini Anak-anak, before I go in detail, saya nak tanya satu benda. Tak apa. Tak ada apa pun, Renuga. Saya tanya je. Do you notice or not this one, this one? Kenapa dekat sini dia jadi straight, Ini jadi constant. Dia jadi constant. Kenapa dia jadi constant? Kenapa dia dah habis? Pandai, pandai. Starting point from this point, the tindak balas telah, bukan habis, telah lengkap. Lengkap. The reaction has been completed. The reaction has been completed. Complete. Sebab tu dia jadi constant. Walaupun you tunggu dekat makmal another 10 years, one decade or one century, it still will be a straight line. Okay, siapa nak screen capture, do it now. Screen capture, do it now. Sebab average ni, so what is factors? Factor per had. Oh, limiting reactant. A limiting reactant. A limiting reactant, Jeramiah. Limiting reactant macam, saya pernah cerita tak pasal roti dengan cheese? Roti dengan cheese, saya pernah cerita tak? Okay. Ada yang pernah, ada yang tak. Khalida, makan tu. Pernah ke tak? Pernah cerita ke tak? Cheese dengan roti. Okay, good. Allah. Tak apalah, saya cerita semula semula. Bagus, Khalida. Bagus. Okay, ada yang ingat. Tak apalah, saya cerita. Katakan guys, katakan bilik yang kau duduk ni penuh dengan roti. Penuh dengan roti. You ada 5 cheese. You ada 5 cheese. Berapa sandwich you buat? Berapa sandwich you buat? Kenapa? Kenapa buat 5? Tak buat 200? Sebab cheese ada 5. Cheese dah habis ke belum? Cheese dah habis ke belum? Maka cheese yang habis dulu. Betul? Do you agree with me? Cheese yang habis dulu. Therefore, the cheese is called limiting reactant. The cheese is called as the limiting reactant. Bahan terhad. Sebab dia habis dulu. Amita have a question. So based on what we have to draw triangle, I'm a bit curious. Janganlah curious, nantilah saya ajar. Okay. Jangan risau. Akhirnya you faham bio punya graph ya. Bagus. Yes. Sebab itulah cheese is the limiting reactant. Guys, kalau cheese itu adalah limiting reactant, roti tu makan. Aku nak juga ambil kayu golf ni, aku pergi kejar kau. Roti tu jadi apa? Roti tu roti. Ya Allah. Kalau cheese tu limiting reactant, roti tu excess reactant. Excessive reactant. Berlebihan. Bahan berlebihan. Yang tak akan habis. Faham? Okay. Tak tahu saya, Farah. Okay, I'm gonna erase. Tak adanya. Jom. Kita belajar, Ya, roti tu makanlah dengan cheese. Kau kenapa? Golf? Takkan kau nak makan roti tu dengan ayam? Tak. You kena ingat, Sarah, roti tu penuh satu bilik. You ada 5 cheese je. So, banyak lagi roti yang tak makan. Faham tak? Tapak dong. Okey je. Okey, kau tengok sini. Okey, dengar. You ada graf yang saya lukis balik. This is your mass and this is your time. In second and this is in gram lah. And the graph is going upward. Okay guys, you tengok sini Tapi kan. Sekarang kita nak cari average, purata. Wait, guys, do you agree with me? Eksperimen ni berhenti dekat sini. Eksperimen ni berhenti kat sini. Yes. Apa maksud purata, average? Apa maksud purata? What do you mean by average? Yes, it's a mean. What is the mean by mean? What do you mean by mean? Mean adalah daripada awal sampai akhir. Do you agree with me? Mean adalah daripada awal sampai akhir. From the beginning until to the end. Yes or no? So, ini adalah beginning experiment. This is the end of the experiment. Maka graf dia adalah gini. Segitiga dia gini. Delta Y, delta X. So, you know the rate average is delta Y over delta X. Adakah anak-anak sekalian faham ya? Bagus. Good. Alicia, one more time. Okay, let me explain. Alicia is asking one more time. Alicia. Apa tu average? Sekejap Ambil triangle dari awal and final year, sir. Yes, Khalida. Dia ni, average stand for Kalisha. Dia daripada awal. Awal is here. And where is the end of the experiment? Here. The starting point, it become constant. The starting point to become constant. Sebab ini boleh sambung lagi 2-3 hari. Betul? Tapi graf dia akan naik. Takkanlah tiba-tiba graf dia gini kan. Tiba-tiba teret. Ini tak akan berlaku lah. Ini apa kau ingat jantung kau? Okay? So what I'm trying to say, maka the experiment daripada awal to akhir eksperimen. You already have the line. You draw lah triangle. Once you have the triangle, this is your delta Y, this is your delta X, and the rate equals to delta Y over delta X. To that, yes, Renuga, this is just a triangle. Sentuh dekat sini. This is the triangle. Of course, this is from the graph. Yes. Okay, faham ya anak-anak semua? Where it stop Situlah average-nya. Yes. The starting point dia stop is the average. Average. Okay. Now guys, how about the second graph, sir? Second graph? What do you mean by second graph? I can't understand, girl. Amita. Amita Supia. Starting of the Renuka, starting of the straight line is the ending, kan? Yes, it is the ending. Yes, Amita? Okay. Amita ada soalan dia hantar privately. Just now you draw 3 graph, right? The second graph I'm asking. Okay, Amita, in the second graph, okay, I raise this. Guys, siapa nak screen capture, do it. You do it, do it. You do it, do it. You do it, do it. Okay. So, Amita is asking about the second graph. So, this one. Okay. What is the problem with this graph, Amita? Second graph, she is referring to this graph, yeah? The triangle. Kenapa dengan triangle? Why this triangle? Why? I can't get it. Maybe Amita, you can unmute lagi senang. You may unmute and ask me question. Girl. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, then I understand. Look at the question, girl. I'm saying it is at 30 seconds. Okay, when I say 30 seconds, listen, okay, I redraw this thing for you. When I draw this, it's a 30 second. 30 second is here. So do you remember or not? Yesterday I told you that what is rate? Rate is the tangent. How to draw a tangent? Sorry, how to rate is a gradient. How to calculate the gradient? Based on the tangent line. Maka dekat 30 saat ni, girl, you go up, inilah point yang kamu nak. Dia tanya, apa kadar dia pada 30 saat? At this particular point, you take a line and draw like this. Take a ruler and draw the line. Once you have drawn the line, you put a triangle. That's it. This is at 30 seconds. Do you understand or not? Okay, you are asking about the limit of the line. Mari saya ajar Girls, janganlah melampaui batas. Maksudnya, you jangan lalu this is your graph paper, girl. This is your graph paper. So, okay, yeah, you need to ask me if this is a graph paper, janganlah lukis line dia gini, 2 page. Ini melampau lah. If this is your graph paper, I will suggest sekurang-kurangnya panjang ini is like 1/4 of the graph. Guys, yang ini, yang tangent line ni, sepatutnya kamu dah belajar dalam fizik dengan matematik. Maksudnya the line kena the saya tak faham sangat soalan ni. Maksudnya the line kena the y-axis ke? Janganlah kena y-axis. Macam ni. Okay, I tell you. Katakan guys, this is your graph paper. Sebab tu saya cakap nanti kamu akan lukis graph. Then, you draw a graph. You kena draw a graph as big as possible. Try to utilize entire of the page. Lukis graph kalau boleh sebesar yang boleh dan juga gunakan keseluruhan kertas. Dan dia jadi gini. Dia jadi gini. Betul? Betul? Faham? Okay. Then guys, you nak lukis tangent line kan? Tangent line. Katakan tangent line is over here. Tangent line over here. You ambil lah pembaris garis gini. Cukup. 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 Then you buat the triangle. Enough. Enough. Cukup. Tapi guys, janganlah, oh cikgu cakap lukis ni kan, you pun buatlah triangle, tangent line, gini. Ye, tangent line. Delta Y, delta X. Okey tak? Okey tak? Okey ke tak? Yes. Sebab itulah you lukis secukup rasa yang memuaskan kamu. As long as you make you easier, then you do it. Tapi janganlah terlalu melampau sampai tangent line. Gini. Gini. Tangent line. Ini dah melampau. So, actually why we have to draw the tangent line? Amita, are you in my class yesterday? Amita? Yesterday class saya kan cakap the tangent line ni kita lukis nak kira gradient. Sebab gradient formula dia kan y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Therefore, this is your delta y and this is your delta x. Maka sebab itulah saya lukis tangent line. Inilah cara nak kira a gradient for a non-linear graph. A non-linear graph. Kamu akan belajar benda ni. You akan belajar benda ini dalam math and also mathematics later. Faham?